How to fix Apple Music playlist disappeared. Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you 6 ways which you can apply to fix if your Apple Music's playlist has been disappeared. Let's get started. So the very first thing that you want to do is go ahead and check if your Apple Music playlist is enabled or not. For that, you have to open your Apple Music on iPhone and then go to Library. Then you can click on Edit on the upper right corner, and if you find the playlist, make sure that it is turned on like this. The second method is to check your subscription. So in order to do that, you will have to head over to your iPhone settings, then to subscription, and there you have to check iTunes and App Stores. After that, on your Apple ID, you can view it and tap on subscription to check if your Apple Music subscription is still valid or not. The third method is you have to turn on Show Apple Music. In order to do that, you will have to go ahead and tap on your settings, then music, and under your music column you will have this option called Show Apple Music. If this is toggled off, then that's really bad for you. You will want to turn it on. The fourth method is to turn on the iCloud Music Library. So it's pretty simple for you to turn on the music library. What you have to do is go to Settings, then Music, and under your library column you will see the iCloud Music Library option. So if that is toggled off like this, you will have to turn it on. And the fifth method is to update your iCloud Music Library with iTunes. So if your iCloud Music is not up to date, then you will have to update it and make it that you sync it with your iTunes. For that, you will have to open up your PC or Mac, then go to File, Library, and then update the iCloud Music Library. And after that, you will have to finally filter disappeared playlists from your iPhone via AOMIE or a phone backup. So if you have turned on this backup right here, you can recover it from the backup. But if none of these methods work, then what you will have to do is contact your Apple support and tell them that your Apple Music playlist has disappeared and you want that back. And after that, they will come up with a possible solution. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any further question, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel as well. I'll see you guys on the next one.